Howdy, this is Robert Daly with Texas Custom Kennels. We ship our kennels all over the continental U.S. and I bet you're wondering, how does freight shipping differ from your package you order on Amazon? First of all, it doesn't come in 2 days. It's going to be more about a week once we ship it. But freight shipping is different in that a carrier will call you to set up a window for delivery. They'll bring their big truck to your house, apartment, whatever, to the street outside, and they will unload it there. They do not bring it into your house. They don't have to help you get it into your garage, and they give you that delivery window so you can have maybe some friends, or a lot of local moving companies will come out and for a service fee help you get the furniture out and into your home for a small additional fee there that you'll have to set up on your own. Our shipping cost is set on our website. We will update that on a semi-regular basis to reflect current charges. So look there for the current shipping rates. It's a flat fee across the U.S. And of course, if you're in Texas and want to head down to the Brazos Valley area and pick up your kennel personally, you are welcome to do that. And you get to save that cost of shipping. We're about 3 hours from Dallas, 2 hours from Houston, about 3 hours from San Antonio. So that's an option for you there. Our goal for shipping is simple. We want to go overkill in packing this thing so it arrives to you undamaged. The first thing we do is build a forklift compatible pallet. This is something the freight carriers require because they'll use forklifts and forklift hand trucks to move this onto their trucks, move it around their shipping centers, etc. So it comes on that. Our pallets are built out of 1x material and OSB. This is most cost-effective and extremely strong way to build these things. You can use the pallet forever you want to. You can discard of it. The pallet's yours to do whatever you want. The shipping company won't take it with them. We attach the kennel with four screws through the bottom of the kennel. So yes, this does leave a small hole in the floor of your kennel, but you're going to be putting either kennel tray, bedding, etc. on that, so you won't ever see it, and it's a very small hole that you hardly will be able to see anyway. We use some plywood spacers to further protect the finish on the kennel. That way it's not a big hole, it's just a small little hole. And we screw it down in 4 places with 4 Phillips head screws. Everybody should have a Phillips head screwdriver at home to take those out. Once your kennel is bolted to the pallet, we wrap it multiple times in plastic stretch wrap. Now you want to tear this off with your hands. Do not use a razor knife and scratch the finish on your kennel, but we wrap it all the way around to protect the finish while in transit. And so that's step 2. Step 1 is bolting it to the pallet. Step 2 is wrapping it with plastic to protect all the finishes. Next thing we do is we put a piece of cardboard over your kennel and we secure it with a piece of just small rope. This further secures the kennel to the pallet, and the cardboard is to protect the corners. And we just use what's called a trucker's hitch, which is simply a loop placed into the end of the rope right there, and repeat it again. There'll be 2 of these that holds the kennel to the crate, protected with cardboard. And so that's step 3. So bolted to the pallet, wrapped in plastic, fastened to the kennel with cardboard and rope. Our final step is building a crate around the wrapped kennel. As you can see, we use hardboard, scrap plywood, and then when we're done with that, we wrap it all again in plastic, and then a freight carrier will come and pick it up